I am happy. I am happy.
I was happy. I was happy.
She is tired. She is tired.
She was tired. She was tired.
They are ready. They are ready.
They were ready. They were ready.
He is busy. He is busy.
He was busy. He was busy.
We are at home. We are at home.
We were at home. We were at home.
You are early. You are early.
You were early. You were early.
It is cold. It is cold.
It was cold. It was cold.
I am hungry. I am hungry.
I was hungry. I was hungry.
The room is clean. The room is clean.
The room was clean. The room was clean.
My shoes are wet. My shoes are wet.
My shoes were wet. My shoes were wet.
She is kind. She is kind.
She was kind. She was kind.
We are late today. We are late today.
We were late yesterday. We were late yesterday.
He is at work. He is at work.
He was at work. He was at work.
I am very busy. I am very busy.
I was very busy. I was very busy.
The food is hot. The food is hot.
The food was hot. The food was hot.
You are very nice. You are very nice.
You were very nice. You were very nice.
She is at school. She is at school.
She was at school. She was at school.
The children are happy. The children are happy.
The children were happy. The children were happy.
He is sick today. He is sick today.
He was sick yesterday. He was sick yesterday.
We are very tired. We are very tired.
We were very tired. We were very tired.
I am in the kitchen. I am in the kitchen.
I was in the kitchen. I was in the kitchen.
The bags are heavy. The bags are heavy.
The bags were heavy. The bags were heavy.
She is afraid. She is afraid.
She was afraid. She was afraid.
You are right. You are right.
You were right. You were right.
The window is open. The window is open.
The window was open. The window was open.
They are outside. They are outside.
They were outside. They were outside.
He is alone. He is alone.
He was alone. He was alone.
I am at the store. I am at the store.
I was at the store. I was at the store.
We are hungry now. We are hungry now.
We were hungry then. We were hungry then.
The water is cold. The water is cold.
The water was cold. The water was cold.
She is very young. She is very young.
She was very young. She was very young.
They are good friends. They are good friends.
They were good friends. They were good friends.
He is in bed. He is in bed.
He was in bed. He was in bed.
I am at the office. I am at the office.
I was at the office. I was at the office.
You are very helpful. You are very helpful.
You were very helpful. You were very helpful.
The house is quiet. The house is quiet.
The house was quiet. The house was quiet.
We are ready now. We are ready now.
We were ready then. We were ready then.
She is in the garden. She is in the garden.
She was in the garden. She was in the garden.
The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful.
The flowers were beautiful. The flowers were beautiful.
He is very strong. He is very strong.
He was very strong. He was very strong.
I am nervous today. I am nervous today.
I was nervous yesterday. I was nervous yesterday.
They are near the door. They are near the door.
They were near the door. They were near the door.
The coffee is warm. The coffee is warm.
The coffee was warm. The coffee was warm.
You are in the car. You are in the car.
You were in the car. You were in the car.
We are very happy. We are very happy.
We were very happy. We were very happy.
She is my friend. She is my friend.
She was my friend. She was my friend.
The streets are busy. The streets are busy.
The streets were busy. The streets were busy.
He is a good student. He is a good student.
He was a good student. He was a good student.
I am ready for work. I am ready for work.
I was ready for work. I was ready for work.